Hello everyone, welcome to Encryption, the tech tips and tutorial channel. In this video, we will learn how to install the VLC media player in one of the Linux distributions named Ubuntu. Let's get started. First of all, let's open a browser and in the search engine, search for download VLC media player. Click on a link by videolan.org. When the page opens, click on the drop-down box, which is on the right side of the download VLC. Then from the list, select Linux and click on the download VLC button. Wait for a while until the page takes you to the list of links to download the VLC media player for different platforms. Now click on the Get VLC for Ubuntu link, which takes you to the another page. Here click on the Get It from the Snap Store button. If you get a browser prompt like that of in my screen, check the box before the always blah blah and click on the Open xdf-open button. Then wait for a while until you get a new window of the Snap Store. Click on the Install button. Enter your login password if you get a prompt like on my screen, and then click on the Authenticate button. The installation begins. Wait for a while and let the installation complete. After the installation is done, press the Windows key on your keyboard and on the search box type VLC and click on the application icon. As we can see, the VLC media player opens. Click on the Continue button on the Privacy and Network Access Policy window. Now you can play any video with the popular audio or video player, the VLC media player. Okay friends, this is how we can install the VLC media player in Ubuntu. I hope the video was useful to you. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you on other videos. Till then, have a nice time. Goodbye.